Welcome to our AwakenSwap trading tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to trade on the AwakenSwap platform. You can choose to use AwakenSwap on the web or mobile Portkey app, and this video will take the mobile experience as an example. Please make sure you have installed the Portkey wallet and are ready with your cryptocurrency. You can find the download path and tutorial in the video description to download the Portkey app and register a wallet account. First, open Discover within the Portkey app, then click AwakenSwap to enter. You will see a list of available trading pairs. You can choose the token pair you want to trade, and this video will take ELF USDT as an example. You need to first choose to buy or sell tokens, and this video will take selling as an example. On the trading interface, enter the amount you want to trade. You can enter the number of tokens or use the slider to adjust. Before confirming the trade, please carefully check the details of the trade, including the token pair, trade amount, slippage, and possible trading fees. Once you have confirmed that all the details are correct, click the Buy/Sell button to execute the trade. Portkey will pop up a window requesting confirmation of the trade. After checking the transaction details, click Pre-Authorize to complete Guardian approval. The trade is complete. You can click on the top right corner to see the changes in your tokens. Thank you for watching our AwakenSwap trading tutorial. We wish you a pleasant trading experience.